Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing an unboxing and I am really excited and antsy because I have waited to open this because I wanted it to be a real unboxing and I wanted to wait to do it on camera. So this is Simply Earth. I don't know if you've heard of them, but it is a monthly subscription box of essential oils. Why I love them is that they send you everything you need to use the oils for the month. They curate each box, and so each month is different and it's seasonal and based on like what you might need this month. So the month of March, I am pretty sure, I haven't opened and looked at everything, but it's skincare, I think makeup, just kind of some self-care stuff, perfect for spring, right? So I'm going to open this. Before we get started though, I just wanted to let you know this is such a good deal. So the first thing is that it's $39 for the subscription box. Your first month, you get the big bonus box, which is why it's in this big box. But the first month, you get it for free. And it basically has all of your accessories, like your carrier oils and everything you need to make different recipes. Where was I going? I lost my track of thought. So the first month you get all of that for free. With my code down below, which will be with the link to shop, they give you a $40 credit back to use for the next month. So you can use it on product. And that's a big, $40 is a lot. So I thought that was really cool. So thank you to them for sending this and giving me the code for you guys. The second thing is that they send you emails and they are all about community and educating you on essential oils. Oh, and all of their stuff is done good. They're clean. Their oils are good oils. And I just can't find anything wrong with them. So I am very excited. Let's open this big bonus box. Okay, so this is the monthly essential oil recipe box. This is the regular, the $39, the box, subscription box. This, what is left in this big old box, is the bonus. So I'm gonna open this first. Here's the front so you can see. Oh, and this is all over their boxes too, so I'll share before I forget. 13% of profits, 13, that's a big chunk of profits, goes to end human trafficking. I am a big fan already. Okay, so it has a little sheet. This says Simply Earth March Recipe Box, Theme Beauty. And it has all your recipes. Like, how cool. No other essential oil brand, and as you know, if you've watched my videos, I've used a lot. And I like testing out different brands and comparing them to find the best. I've never seen this. This is so cool. They're all about just not only getting the oils into your hands and helping you create a clean home, but helping you do it and giving you the recipes and all of the stuff. So anyways, you can tell, I'm excited and obsessed already. Stickers, because you get to make all of the things. Oh, sorry. I'm just looking and cool. So you do get a few things in this. So I'm still in this little smaller box. So stickers, here are the stickers for this month. And like I said, they're different each month. So guys, I am obsessed. Okay, show you the oils first. Here, I'll show you the box actually, sorry. So this is what the box looks like. It's 4 essential oils right there, and then your carrier things and to make the recipes that they give you. So the oils I will pop out and show you. This one is tea tree. Such a staple in anyone's essential oil box, shelf, kit, whatever. Next one is, amyris. I have not tried amyris before. I'm excited. I'm always just really excited when there's new oils. So let's give it a quick smell. It's kind of a weird top on it too. Ooh, what does this smell like? Very earthy. It kind of smells like Palmarosa and Divana put together. Amyris. Beauty Within, that's the next one. This must be a blend. Ooh, that's exciting. Okay, it is a blend. It is myrrh, frankincense, rosemary, and lavender. What a good blend, especially for beauty. Oh, my Lanta, that smells delish. Okay, so this is basically what I put, besides myrrh, frankincense, rosemary. Yeah, this is what I put in my hair leave-in spray. Rosemary is really good for hair. And Palmarosa. I already have this oil, but I'm excited about it. This is I believe I first got Palmarosa because it's like a very cheap, or cheaper, way cheaper than rose, but similar benefits to rose essential oil. It smells very sweet, floral, light. It's like a pretty scent. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so those are the oils. And then in the side next to is all of this stuff. So, and then it goes with all of the recipes that they give you. This is vegetable glycerin, little bottle of it. This is castor oil. Okay, and 100% pure castor oil. Okay, and there's some cards, some chapstick tubes. We're making lip balm. Beetroot powder. I don't know what that's going to be for, but that's exciting. And then, oh, here's your recipe cards. I love this, you guys. This is so cool. I want you all to get this because it's so, oh, also another note, they sell out of their boxes every month. So you have to go and jump on it and get it if you want it, because they don't have an unlimited amount of boxes and they do sell out. So these are all the recipe cards. Like, keep these forever, and just, I want a recipe box now to just keep all these. Okay, that was the smaller box. That's the monthly recipe box. Stickers for that. And then left in this, okay, so in the bottom of this, this is beeswax, make something, and then a bunch of bottles. That's a lot of bottles, and then a couple of jars of stuff. So this big jar is coconut oil. Like, that's such a great deal. I mean, this is huge coconut oil. We use this for so many things, so that's just nice to have in general. And then almond oil, a bottle of almond oil, a good carrier oil, and then, oh, fractionated coconut oil, a liquid coconut oil, which we use, I mean, in almost everything that we make. So that's really nice to have too. Okay, I will share a couple of these, or like what this is about the theme, and just more about the box and what comes in it. So this theme is beauty. How can we trust products at the store to actually be natural? Not to mention that they are so expensive. That is one of the huge things that I love about essential oils and making my own products, is that it's so much cheaper, it's so much more rewarding, and I do it with Emery a lot of the time, so it's like a good quality bonding time too. But anyways, the March recipe box gives you everything you need to learn how to make 6 all-natural personal care products. Love. And then the oils: Beauty Within, Tea Tree, Amorous, Palmarosa. And recipes, there's a hair mask, a hair growth serum. Oh yeah, so that makes sense, is why the Beauty Within oil. DIY shiny pink lipstick, that is what the beetroot powder was for. Soothing facial essence, that sounds so good. Beautiful skin roll-on, so maybe like a serum, I'm assuming. And then natural beauty diffuser blend. And this smells so good, that Beauty Within oil. Okay, this is fun. This is like the most fun subscription box I've ever opened. I love, first of all, it's a really good company with good values. They, again, give back 13% of profits to end human trafficking. Like, what other, name another company that does that? That's awesome. It's fun. It's stuff that I'm going to have fun making with Emery too, and it's stuff that I'm going to use. And they're all about educating you. They, like I said, they send you emails too, along with all of the stuff that you get to just support you and help you get the most out of your box. So I'm super impressed. I love it. I hope you can tell that. I will be making this stuff. Maybe I'll do, I'll share on Instagram when I make them. Let me know if that would be helpful. Or maybe I will just film a whole nother video on making all of the stuff. Let me know if you want me to do that in the comments below. Again, the link to shop and a really good coupon code that gives you $40 back is down in the description. Let me know if you have any questions on this box, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks, bye.